Watch this video, then we'll talk.
I need advice, or I need community, or I just need to vent. I don't know. One of my friends, oldest friends, I'm 31 years old. We met in 2006. I was 11 years old when I met her, okay? She is marrying a man. My smart scientist friend is marrying a man who does not believe in lesbians. He doesn't think they're real. What do I do with that? What do I do with that? And I just got their fucking wedding invite in the mail. And I'm just like, am I going to walk you? Am I going to watch you? Am I going to watch you walk down the aisle and marry a man who is clearly a moron? Do I support you in this? In a way, I'm like kind of grieving our friendship. Let me know.
Oh, my sweet summer child. You know that saying that has become very popular online, that you can tell how much somebody loves themselves by the partner that they pick. Imagine marrying somebody who does not believe in stop signs, who doesn't believe in grapefruits, someone who thinks that George Washington Carver was not a real person. That's someone who doesn't believe in cement or black people. That's what we're talking about here. Now, here's why I, Shayna, just me, think that this friendship would not work. Will not work from this point on, now that you know this information. You have seen the lengths that your friend will go to for the sake of a man. She will deny her education. She will deny logic for the sake of marrying a man who I can already tell can't be that pretty. Schlong can't be that long, and I know that conversation ain't that stimulating. And wildly enough, this is not even one of the worst cases of realizing how male-centered a friend is. It's a doozy. It's a doozy, but it's not the worst example that I've seen. The problem is also that the amount that this friend has denied of basic reality, shared reality, also hints at the high possibility that when things eventually go upside down because she is marrying an idiot, that she will continue. The pattern's already set of her denying basic shared reality, basic common sense, and her own intelligence for the sake of this man, legally binding herself to this man. So if anything serious were to happen that this man caused, that this man was a part of, she is already in the pattern of saying, what is in front of me is not that bad because he's here. He is here and he is more important than reality. Now, these are my thoughts. The greater question, not just for the person that made this video, but for all of us who have iterations of people in our lives that you go, I know that you must know your man's an idiot. You must know this. You're too smart not to know this. Oh, but he does this. Oh, but he does that. Oh, but he's so pretty. Your man's an idiot. He got four peanuts and a hope and a prayer rocking around up there like a maraca. The schlong can't be that long and the conversation can never be that stimulating. And are you okay with your intimate community to have people that will deny themselves to that degree? Are you okay with that? Because if you're okay with that, then hey, continue the friendship. If you're okay with that, then there is nothing to be concerned about if you are okay with that. But then you have to ask yourself, am I okay with that? Because those people will come to you with their problems about their stupid man. They will. They will. And then you would have to be a good friend to the person who will not leave their stupid man. Can you do that? This is also a best case scenario. This is saying this man is just stupid. This is saying that he's just stupid. He's not, he doesn't have any of the other yikes things that happen. He's not patriarchal. He's not racist. He is not, I mean, he's clearly homophobic. He's not any of the phobias or isms. I mean, we already know that he's one, but he's not any of the other ones. This is also assuming that he is not a problem, a schmexual problem to women and children. I don't know this man. I don't know this man. I'm just saying that this is the assumption that he is just stupid. If you think that it's worth it, then continue on. If you think this is as bad as it gets and I can handle it, then continue on. I feel like there's a lot of people who are maybe thinking about certain folks in their lives and they're like, my God, this is heavy. This is heavy that this person so close to me is with an idiot. There's a reason. Oof, 1 second. Next question, actually. It's the same question from the beginning, but we're just switching the subject now. You can tell how much you love yourself by the quality of the relationships that you keep. That also includes friendships. How would that make you feel? How would that make you feel if somebody said that to you? If you still are like, oh hey, like this, I clearly still love myself. Like I clearly love myself a whole lot, but the quality of the friendships that I keep. And oh my God, yeah, absolutely. Like continue doing. But this is all very personal, all very individual, all very specific, case by case basis. So I'm gonna let you figure out what your case is. And then yeah. Y'all don't go sending this lady any hate. She's figuring things out. Whatever decision she makes is whatever decision she makes. I did think I saw in the comment section that she's not going to that wedding. But she's trying to figure out what to do long term with this friendship. A fair quandary. A fair quandary indeed. Eesh. Best of luck, thoughts and prayers. And you know, it's super quick last thing. Quick last thing. The video that I made that I'm going to post right up here about why it is so dangerous for folks to just assume that women who have very clear issues with men are automatically lesbian. And I'm like, this is actually really dangerous for folks who are not straight. This is very dangerous for folks that are like any woman that is attracted to men, that are attracted to women, sorry. This man is one of those reasons. This man, he could just be stupid, as I mentioned, but also it could be more insidious. And those more insidious things that could pop, that could be why he's thinking that, are things that we discussed in here. So also putting that out there. Now, stay safe out there.